Assalamu alaikum guys, we have brought some very beautiful and unique collections for you and unique collections. Greetings and congratulations to everyone on behalf of Mannat Fashion. So Hussein Bhai, could you tell us what we are going to see first? Assalamu alaikum.
Today we have brought some new collections of Indian Delhi boutiques. They are completely new and very beautiful.
We are looking at every design.
See, there are 6 colors and 6 designs.
Should we look at this color first, brother?
Here is the golden shade one. This is the first one. Look at this golden shade.
Look, it's very beautiful, absolutely stunning. There is work at the bottom.
This will be the pants. Each one will have pants.
It looks good, brother.
Look at this, how beautiful. Let's see what the product is. We are currently offering these at wholesale prices for the retail customers who are having trouble going out in this stormy weather. You can just place an order and get it at the wholesale price. You are getting these for only 3,000 taka, a 4,500 taka product for just 3,000 taka for just taka. Why go through the trouble of coming to the market and bargaining? It's better to order from home and get these beautiful products in your hands for 3,000 taka.
Very beautiful, truly beautiful, original Indian Delhi boutique. Look, the dupatas have very fine handwork, 0 stone detailing. Those who want to order from outside Dhaka, we offer cash on delivery across Bangladesh. You pay us only after receiving and checking the product. You don't need to pay before that. Since these are unstitched, if they were stitched, I would have told you to try them on first and then make the payment and make the payment. Look how beautiful. But since these are unstitched, I cannot say that. However, once you receive it in your hands, and if you like it, or if you like it after seeing it on your mobile, only then will you make the payment. You don't need to pay before that. We offer cash on delivery across Bangladesh. For those living inside Dhaka, please make sure to visit our shop. Our shop is in a very location opposite Gauzia in Star Malika Shopping Complex, Elephant Road, Dhaka 1205. Come to our market, go to the first floor, take the elevator, and you will find our shop in the middle aisle, shop number 58, Mannat Fashion aisle, shop number fashion. I will provide the shop address in the description, and we offer cash on delivery across Bangladesh and wholesale services as well. Those who need to know our wholesale prices or want to do business by buying wholesale, please contact us via our contact number or WhatsApp number. Our wholesale price will be even lower, and the retail price will be only 3,000 taka. You will get the retail price for just 3,000 taka. We are giving that a wholesale price too, because you will find these outside for 4,000 or 4,500 taka. You would have to haggle. You would have to face a hassle. There is no such opportunity here. If you like it, you just pay the money. We have many collections inside our shop, cotton luxury, then organza, chiffon, Pakistani, and Indian. We have started working with new Indian collections. We have decided to provide Indian products at the lowest possible prices. So just like how you have been getting Pakistani products from us at the lowest prices all year round, now we are planning to provide you with Indian products at the lowest prices as well, so you don't face any trouble. Look at the color. Hussein Bhai. This is the peacock green. Peacock green. Very beautiful, very beautiful. A very beautiful dress, a complete party dress. What color is this?
Brother, how do I describe this color? And
it has a golden vibe in it. It's green with a bit of a golden tint. It's a light green, a very beautiful light green. The neck area will have embroidery, and there will be small stones set on each part. The salwar will be solid colored. It is very extraordinary and comfortable. You will get a guarantee on these salwars, including the fabric and quality. You will get a guarantee on everything. So the video is getting quite long, and we are wrapping it up briefly. Please watch the entire video patiently. Check out every dress, and hopefully you will visit our shop. Thank you, everyone. Assalamu alaikum to all our viewers.